Think eating a carnivore diet has to break the bank? Think again. Here are our top 10 hacks to enjoy a meat-only diet without straining your wallet. Bulk buying not only saves money but ensures you always have meat at home. Stock up during sales for even bigger savings. Skip the steak. Go for chuck roast, brisket, or ground beef. These cuts are wallet-friendly and just as satisfying. Keep an eye on sales and don't hesitate to use coupons. Shopping smart can lead to significant savings. Organ meats are not only cheap but are nutrient powerhouses. Try liver, heart, or kidneys for a change and a nutritional boost. If you have access, hunting or fishing for your food can be extremely cost-effective and rewarding. Make the most of your purchases by using bones for broth and fat for cooking. Zero waste equals more savings. Join meat sharing groups to buy large quantities at a discount. It's community power in action. Farmers markets can offer great deals, especially towards the end of the day when vendors reduce prices to clear stock. Don't overlook frozen meat. It's often cheaper than fresh and just as good, especially when budget is a priority. Store brands can offer great quality at a lower price. Don't pay more for a label. Your stomach won't know the difference. Eating carnivore doesn't have to empty your pockets. Use these hacks to enjoy your diet economically. Subscribe for more tips and share your own hacks in the comments below.